fitting perfectly on any kitchen countertop without taking up too much space. To wrap up, both the De'Longhi EC680M Espresso and the Mixpresso Espresso Machine offer excellent espresso brewing experiences. The De'Longhi EC680M provides professional pressure and a versatile brewing system, while the Mixpresso Espresso Machine offers affordability and barista-style extraction. Consider your budget and personal preferences to make the best choice for your needs. Let us know in the comments which machine you prefer. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.